Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Gemini 2.0 on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone. You want to go ahead and open up the Play Store, guys, on your phone, and you want to use the search and simple type in Gemini, right? You will see Gemini there, and you can go ahead and install the Google Gemini app. So let's install this Gemini application on our phone. And as you can see, it's currently installing. This should be very quick, and then I'm going to show you how to use the Gemini 2.0 from this Google AI tool here. So as you can see here, it's done installing. I'm going to open it. Then go ahead and click on more, continue, continue. Just go ahead and continue, and you'll have the option to use Gemini. Now, this is the interface of Gemini. But if you look towards the top, you can see my profile picture, and in the center there, it says Gemini. Below that, it says 1.5 Flash. Now, to use Gemini 2.0, just simply click the drop down and select the 2.0 Flash Experimental option there. And once you click on that, you can now use Gemini 2.0. And yeah, I can ask it whatever. See, I'm going to ask it, what is today's date? Hit search here, and you will see that the Gemini 2.0 is going to give me a result. And that's it. That's how to install Gemini 2.0 on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone, guys. Very easy and very simple.